Hey everyone, welcome to findingworkathomejobs.com on YouTube. Today is July the 2nd, 2018, and I'm excited to share with you today's job leads. Now this is typically a work-at-home job site, but today I'm going to talk about one particular job that is not a work-at-home job, but it is very flexible and may work for someone who's looking for a part-time gig or a temporary gig, so that's why I'm mentioning it today. I also wanted to apologize for not coming out earlier this weekend with my work-at-home business leads. The more I looked at it, the more complicated it became to kind of put together a video last minute on work-at-home businesses because there's a lot of moving parts to them. So I am working on that though, and my goal is to get those out on Saturdays and Sundays. I have the whole week, so hopefully I can piece together a couple of videos for the weekend. Anyway, we're going to start out with a lead that is not, again, work-at-home related, but you can make up to $25 an hour as a grocery shopper. Now, you won't always make that. You'll probably make closer to $10 an hour, but there are times that you may make up to $25 an hour. Over the weekend, my mom was sick, and so I used Instacart to send her a whole bunch of groceries since we don't live in the same state. And she had her groceries within 2 hours, and it was kind of neat because I was able to watch the Instacart shopper, or not watch, but I was able to track the Instacart shopper as far as like when he received the order, he was now shopping, now he was on his way, and then he had delivered the order, and it all took place within 2 hours. And it reminded me that I really needed to do a video on this because it is a neat opportunity for those of you who have a car and are willing to go out and do grocery shopping for other people. I'm trying to remember what the pay is on that. I used to do this a little bit for DoorDash, and it was $5 a delivery. It may be a little less now, but the way I made my money is through tips. And so if I made 2 deliveries an hour, sometimes I would make, maybe 15 an hour. On a lucky day, maybe 20 an hour. But it is a lot of wear and tear on your car, so that's something to think about. But, oh yeah, here it is. So each order you complete will earn you $5 plus 7.5% of the order total for shipped. That is a company. I will put the link to this page at the bottom of this video so you can check out the company. And it says that Shipt says that on average their shoppers earn about 20 to 25 an hour. But remember, they don't reimburse you for gas or wear and tear on your vehicle. So on average you can expect to make $200 a week for about 8 to 10 hours of work if you go by what the company's saying. So that's kind of nice if you're just trying to do some kind of a part-time gig. You also get free membership for a year, which is worth $99 or $14 a month. I know that because I pay $14 a month, which means if you don't want to do your grocery shopping and you want it delivered to you, all you have to do is pay for your groceries but not the delivery. So they'll go ahead and deliver it to you for free, and then you should always tip, but the delivery itself, which I think is $5 per delivery, would be free. So the next company that will also pay you to grocery shop for customers is Instacart, and that's the company that I used over the weekend. I put the link here on this page. You can go ahead and apply through them. And this company states you can make up to $25 per hour. And then the last company that will allow you to make money as a grocery shopper is Safeway. Now, Safeway isn't in all U.S. states, so that's something to consider. But if they are in your state, there is a link that is on this page that will take you straight to their website where you can apply to become a driver. So that's basically the 3 companies that will pay you to work as a grocery shopper. And it's kind of a easy gig. Like I said, that can make you a nice $200 a week for not that much time. So anyway, the next company that I wanted to talk about today is Belay. They are hiring virtual assistants right now, and this is a contract position, so you would not be paid on an hourly basis. You would be paid usually by the minute, or by the project. So just keep that in mind. But some of the things that you'll be doing, you'll be basically working as an admin assistant. So you might be doing email management, social media management. You might be working with a client's appointments or calendar. You might be doing event planning, etc., etc. They do prefer that you have a bachelor's degree. So that's something to keep in mind. And then they would like you to have at least 5 years experience as an executive assistant or an admin assistant. So if you're interested, there is a link here on this page. I'm going to put the link to this particular page at the bottom of this video. Last of all today, there is a company named TTEC that is looking for bilingual, that's English and Spanish speaking customer service representatives. This is a work at home position just like Belay. They do offer flexible work schedules and it's part-time, so about 20 to 30 hours per week. And then they offer some nice perks, some employee rewards, employee discounts, and you would earn $10.50 per hour from home. It is an employee position, so you would not be an independent contractor, which is kind of nice. And then as far as your qualifications, you should have a high school diploma, and you should have at least 6 months or more of customer service experience. So I'm going to put the link at the bottom of this video for this company as well. Wish you the best of luck. Thank you so much for your patience and sticking with me even though I didn't post a video over the weekend. And I'll post a video tomorrow evening probably, it looks like, due to my work schedule. I'm not going to be able to get to it in the morning, but I will post another job lead video by tomorrow evening. Thanks you guys, and best of luck.